Hi, so welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you density. So density is a mass per volume measurement. So the formula, density is the mass divided by the volume. Now for density, we usually use mass in grams and the volume in milliliters or mils. Now, you may get the question in different units, so converting back to grams and mils will make it easier to do that calculation. So let's work out the density of a compound that has the mass of 100 and it has a volume of, let's say, 20 centimeters cubed. Okay, so in order to use my formula, I need to convert my volume into milliliters. So 1 centimeter cubed is actually 1 milliliter. So this is just 20 milliliters. So depending on what you're looking at, a solid or a liquid, they may use centimeters cubed or milliliters. So now putting it into the formula, density is your mass, which is 100 grams. So our mass divided by the volume, which is 20 mil. So 100 divided by 20 gives me 5. So my density would be 5 units, grams per mil. Okay. Now let's have a go at another one. So let's say I want to work out the volume. So with this question here, I was working out my density. Now I want to work out my volume. So my volume is unknown. Let's say my mass is 20 grams and my density is 0.5 grams per mil. So I want to weigh out 20 grams of this and it's a liquid. So I want to do it with a syringe or something, depending how big our volume comes out. And my density for this particular liquid is 0.5 grams per mil. So my formula would be density equals the mass divided by the volume. So this is my formula, and if I want to get the volume by itself, the volume, to get it over to this side, I multiplied both sides by it, so I get dV equals m, and then I can remove that d by going m divided by d, gives me the volume. So now I've got my formula rearranged. I can plug in the values. So 20 divided by 0.5. So that would give us 40. Okay, so 40 mils. So I couldn't do that with a syringe. I would be using a measuring cylinder. So 40 mils. Okay, so that's density. So switching between mass, volume, and density. But the way to remember density is it's grams per mil. So mass divided by volume.